My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. We also have our electric seats, which we can adjust using the buttons on either side of the vehicle. On our touchscreen, using the buttons just below, we can access radio, media, navigation, Bluetooth, vehicle settings, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, our parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our heated seats, as well as our dual zone climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.